Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all we will begin with customization of this mode. So let's enter the settings. Now let's tap on the display, and here on the second position we've got the night light, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on now. So just tap on this option, and as you can see the screen immediately changes in the color. So right now it is, I would say, yellowish or even amber. It is of course in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so read or something like that. So it will reduce the blue light emission, and here thanks to the switcher you can change the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left you can make it much cooler, it's almost invisible, and by going to the right much warmer. In real life it's, I would say, almost orangish. I'm not really sure if it is visible on the camera, unfortunately. So set it just like you want to, set it on the level in which is the most comfortable for you. Here we can also schedule that feature, so we can turn it on custom time, which means that you will be able to manually pick the start and end time, and you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise. And after picking this option, your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are, probably based on the network provided time. So let me show you the custom time. After tapping on it, you will be able to pick the start time from this clock. Just pick the one you'd like to use and tap on OK. And the same situation with the end time. So for example 4 o'clock also. And as you can see, the device immediately turned off this option. It is of course because we are not between the start and end time. But let me maybe actually turn off this option. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature, and now I can show you much faster access to it. And basically all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar. At least try. So unroll the top bar, and here we have to find this icon with the night light. As you can see, it is right now turned on, so in order to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on whenever you want to, just by tapping on this icon again. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.